G'day folks, Ben from Catch Pro here. Today I want to show you the new version 5 Darwin Grip trimmer handle for your whippersnippers and line trimmers, stick edges also. So you've got a few improvements from the previous versions. We've got a new handle here that's going to be a little bit more durable. We have an aluminium design, so it's really lightweight, doesn't add any weight to your whippersnipper. We also have a quick release clamp which helps you for storage, or if you are doing different styles of whippersnipping. Also, if you have employees and workers that are left and right handed, you can actually loosen this off and just turn it around, bung it in the other side. Something else that I want to touch on for new people that we've been getting a few questions about vertical edges. So essentially with this quick release inbuilt tool, it'll allow you to have your Darwin grip set, but you don't need to tighten it up the whole way. So you can actually push this down and lift it back up depending on what style of whippersnipping you're doing. So when you're doing your fence lines or slashing style whippersnipping, you're able to stand up straight and get this in a very comfortable position. When you need to do a vertical edge like so, you can bang that down, lift it up, get straight into your vertical style position, and then easily get back into the slashing style. So we've had a lot of success with these. Lots of contractors are getting amongst it. This is just some extra little info for those questions that needed to be answered. Feel free to jump on the website and get amongst it. Thank you, everyone.